Renegade Design is preparing a body kit for the all-new BMW XM. The aero kit will be available to 10 customers only, and it will be individually numbered. The BMW XM body kit uses carbon fiber for most of the parts, giving the electrified MSUV a sportier look. At the front, there is a generously sized hood cover, a splitter, plus new inserts on the intakes and around the illuminated kidney grille. The profile is upgraded with wider fenders, aerodynamic side skirts, mirror covers, and side moldings, while the owner has the option of adding larger forged wheels for a sportier stance. Finally, the tail gets carbon fiber on the spoiler, around the reflectors, and on the diffuser, with the latter featuring an F1-style brake light. Each body kit will be handcrafted and individually numbered. Renegade Design offers a wide range of personalization options, including different carbon finishes and colors. The tuner announced they already accept pre-orders for the kit, although pricing wasn't made public.